How to permanently delete your Shopify account. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're looking to deactivate your plan on Shopify or delete your account, there are really simple steps to do so. The first thing you have to do is head on over to your Shopify home dashboard, and once you're in your home dashboard, you want to click on settings on the bottom left. Once you click on settings, you want to go into your plan. Once you click on plan, you want to scroll down and you will see the option of deactivate store. So you're going to click on this option. Now, after that, you get three basic options. So you can pause and build, start a new store, or deactivate. Now you're going to click on deactivate store over here, and then you can enter the reason why you are closing down your store and click on continue. Once you do that, you can choose to remove your payment details, so you can just not tick on this option. If you tick on this option, your payment details will remain saved. If you do not tick on this option, then your payment details won't be saved with Shopify, and then you can click on deactivate store over here and your store will be deactivated from Shopify. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.